have our half chicken, and we're going to take some olive oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, and drizzle it over, turn it over, drizzle it all over this side as well. And just do a little rub in so it's evenly coated. Okay, then with clean hands, I'm going to season with some pepper and a little shake of sea salt. Use the tongs to flip it over and season our other side. Pepper and sea salt. Flip it back so that it's skin side up. And then we'll set that aside while we chop our rosemary. So first I'm going to slide my pointer and thumb down the rosemary from top to bottom to remove the leaves. And I can just kind of pick off the leaves at the top. Then move that into a pile and give it a chop. And we're going to take that rosemary and sprinkle it all over the top. Gonna rub that in. And be sure to wash my hands again afterward. And now we're gonna pop this into a 425-degree oven to roast. So now that our chicken has cooked and cooled, we're going to pull it apart, remove the leg quarter from the breast, and we're going to take the skin off. And then once we've gotten the skin off, what we're going to do is either pull and break apart some bite-sized pieces, or you could totally put it on a cutting board and chop it as well. we're ready to make our soup. So the first thing we're going to do is set our heat to about medium and heat our 1 tablespoon of olive oil in our soup pot. Once our oil is heated, we're going to stir in our onion. And we're going to season that with a little sprinkle of salt and pepper. And we'll give that a stir and let it cook until the onion has become tender and soft for a few minutes. Once our onion has softened, we're going to drop in our few sprigs of rosemary to kind of infuse that onion and the rest of the veggies. And here's our asparagus and our zucchini that we cut up earlier. I'm going to stir that around. Give it an extra little shake of salt and pepper. And let those cook for just a few minutes. Now that these veggies have softened slightly, we're going to add in our spinach. It looks like a lot now, but it will wilt down considerably. And it should only take a couple minutes to do so. Once our spinach has wilted down, we're going to add in our water and broth. We're going to bring our liquid to a simmer so we can turn up our heat just a bit and let those veggies cook for just about 10 minutes or so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take an egg yolk full of yummy fat-soluble vitamins and some protein and some good fat itself, and we're going to take the juice of a lemon and we're going to add it to our egg yolk and whisk that together. And to this egg yolk and lemon juice mixture, we're going to slowly whisk in our hot broth so that we don't scramble our eggs. Once we've gotten all that hot broth in there and our eggs are tempered, we're going to stir that egg mixture right into our soup. And we're also going to add in our chicken and our rinsed and drained cannellini beans. And give it a stir.